Okay, so what do we have to learn from the fearlessness of Kanye West? As we see, if you heard recently in the news that one of Kanye's banks, JP Morgan, recently terminated services from him, basically some things of what he said. So are we in a time where you can't say nothing? Anything you say that opposes people, will you get canceled? Is that where it's going right now, even with banks? Because you got to realize that if they did this to a person like Kanye, because we know how the banking system goes, they take people money and then they sell it back to you. And so you got to realize now, if they're doing this to people like them, what do you think about yourself in terms of being canceled, being terminated, in terms of even being in that position? So if they do that to people like you, what do you think is to him? What do you think about people like you? And this is not to say that I support everything that Kanye does or says and everything like that. But we live in a time where everyone has their opinions. Or see, the thing about it, the way I'm looking at it is that certain people could say certain things and not get canceled. But when other people say things, it's a big issue. So what do you think about that?